What's up, tubers? I hope you're having a happy hair day. It's review time, and today I'm going to do this for all my guys that use a foil shaver. You're going to want to tune in for this one because should you get it or should you not? All right, tubers, here we go. This is the TPOB mini skull foil shaver. Now this shaver right here, as you can see, is very small and it comes in 4 different colors. So if you choose to get it or not after this review, I'm going to base my review off of 3 things: how it cuts, the ease of use, and the charging. TPOB stands for the pissed off barber. This is a dude in the industry that no one knows how he looks. I like to refer to him as the 50 Cent of the industry. He goes against all the major brands and he talks shit about everybody. And he might talk shit about me after this review. TPOB is shaking up the industry. This is a guy that started his own thing. He's making some noise in the clipper world. I wanted to review his foil shaver and see is it worth getting. All right, so let's get into the review. Let's see if the pissed off barber is going to be mad at me, or can I bring a smile to his unknown face? The first thing I want to talk about is the charging. It comes with a USB cord. That's how you charge it. So you can charge it on a computer, you can charge it on an outlet, and you stick it in and it charges. From 0 to full is 30 minutes. And the runtime for this is 3 hours. So this is good if you need to hurry up and charge on the go before you take a trip. 30 minutes and it's fully charged and you got a full 3 hours runtime. So if you were to go on a trip for a couple of days, you can take this without the charger and you'll be good to go. Secondly is the ease of use. This is small, it's very compact. It fits in your hand. It's a nice texture. It's smooth, but it's a very good texture. As you can see, this easily fits in your hand. You can even put it in your pocket. Say, for example, if you needed to go somewhere and you needed to shave real quick, you could take this out and start shaving. Now, the most important part, let's see how this mofo cuts. Whenever you're using foil shaver, you know you use this after you use your trimmer as a cleanup to get all the facial hair off. So it's like you got a clean shave without the razor so you won't get razor bumps. So I'm going to use my World High Vis trimmer to shave my beard first, and then I'm going to follow it up with the mini foil shaver. Guys, as you can see, I finished shaving my beard. I'm gonna let you take a look. You see, let's look at the hair. And then under the chin, let's see. You probably can see a little bit of stubbles. Now, let's see how the foil shaver works. Here we go. Very smooth. I like the sound of it. So now look at this. You can see under, let's look at the side. Pretty good, pretty good. I don't feel any stubbles. Smooth. Here's underneath. Here's my honest opinion about the mini skull shaver. For the charging, I'll give it a thumbs up because it does charge for 30 minutes. You can charge it very easy. It has a USB cord. If that's an issue for it, then you might have a problem with it, but it's not an issue for me. And I'm an OG, so I know a lot of you young YNs or whoever watching don't have a problem with a USB cord. So I'll give it a thumbs up for the charging. Now, ease of use. It was very easy to use. It's very small and compact, so you can easily put it in your hand. If you go to the airport, you can put it in your bag that you're taking, or you can put it in your luggage. So I'll give it a thumbs up on the ease of use. I do like how small it is. That's good. Now, for the cutting, this is where the pissed off barber may get mad at me. And I'm gonna let you know, pissed off, I'm ready for the smoke. As far as cutting, I'm going to give this little small compact device for the cutting. I'm going to have to say it's good. I wanted to be mad. I wanted to be pissed off like the pissed off barber. But cutting wise, it's good. Look, under is very smooth. I have no problem. It cut very well. Now, I will say it did jump a little bit while I was cutting, but that's not an issue. This thing works. It's real good. I would highly recommend this. I mean, you can be a seasoned person or a beginner, but if it's a beginner person or you want to get this as a gift for somebody, I would highly recommend it. And now, as far as the pricing, this thing right here is only $34.95. So if you're looking for a foil shaver that's under $50, I will highly recommend this foil shaver. For the price of $34.95, that's very good. Knowing the pissed off barber, he may be mad that I actually like his mini skull foil shaver. So I'm going to leave a link to this foil shaver. You can easily purchase it from Amazon. They deliver, but this right here, I like it. Link in the bottom. I highly recommend it. No razor bumps. This is good to go. Pissed off barber, stop being so mad because you should be smiling with this. I'm Garrett Dixon, Barber Luther King. I'll see y'all later. Ciao.